Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn the basics of light emitting diode, that is LED. So let's get started. There are several types of LEDs available in the market. The first popular type is through-hole LEDs. Then we have surface mount LEDs, we have bicolor LEDs, high power LEDs, RGB LEDs, alphanumeric LEDs, which is also known as 7-segment or multi-segment LEDs. So these LEDs comes into different sizes, like it can range from 0.6 millimeter to 5 millimeter, and then so on according to the types of LED. The standard type of LED, they have two terminal, two lead. They have one longer lead and another one is shorter lead. The longer lead is positive terminal, or we can say it's anode, and the shorter is the negative terminal, which is known as cathode. The symbol is like this. But the RGB LEDs, they have four terminals. They can be of two types, like common cathode or common anode. Among the four terminal, one is common terminal, which can be anode or cathode according to its type, and the other three terminals, these are color channels like red, green, blue. So combining this red, green, blue ratio, they can generate any color using these LEDs. While working with LEDs, we also need to be concerned about the safety of the LEDs, because this LED, they have a tolerance limit for current carrying. For that reason, to limit the current through the LED, we use a resistor in series with this LED. What should be the value of this resistor? We can find out by this formula, which is based on Ohm's law. So here, R is equal to Vs minus Vf by If, where Vs is the supply voltage. It can be your battery. Vf is the forward threshold voltage or forward voltage of the LED. It can be different for different LEDs. And the If is the current value you want to pass through this LED. So it is the desired current value. And it can vary according to your requirement. If you want higher lumens, you will need to increase this value. If you need lower lumens, you can decrease this value. But there is a safety value, safety limit for each LED that it can tolerate. So to limit the current of the LED in a safe region, we need to put a resistor in series with the LED. And here's an example. Let's say we have added a 5 volt source here, and the LED has a 2.2 volt, which is a forward voltage of this LED. Now we want to allow or permit 10 milliamps current, that is 0.01 ampere or 10 milliamps. For that reason, what will be the resistors that should be added in series with this circuit? We can find out using this formula. R is 5 volt minus 2.2 volt divided by 10 milliamps, and it will give us 280 ohms. So in market, you have 220 ohms, 330 ohms. These are available values. So you can use 330 for this circuit. So this is all for now. I think this basic will help you to get started with the LED circuits. In the upcoming video, we'll try to form an LED circuit with Arduino and program it. So see you then. Thank you.